You spoke and Rancilio delivered with the new Silvia Pro X dual boiler espresso machine. In 2020, Rancilio introduced the Silvia Pro, their first dual boiler home espresso machine, about 20 years after launching the classic Silvia. Since then, Rancilio has been perfecting this model based on feedback from the coffee community. With some exciting improvements like new color options, an added pressure gauge, and a new take on pre-infusion, Rancilio brings the cafe home with the Silvia Pro X. Like the Silvia Pro, the Pro X is a small, single-group, dual boiler and dual PID espresso machine that blends the professional performance of their commercial machines with the simplicity of the original, widely loved Silvia. The Pro X will ultimately phase out the Silvia Pro and become the new standard for this model, but note that the hydraulics of the two machines are mostly identical, which means that all the parts for the Pro will be available and the machine will remain easily serviceable. In addition to the original stainless steel, the Pro X also comes in 3 matte colors: black, white, and pink, all made with the same powder coating used on their commercial machines. Now included is an upgraded 58mm portafilter with an 18-gram basket, the same one that comes with their commercial model, the RS1. On the front of the machine is an added pressure gauge that measures brewing pressure at the boiler rather than the group for a more accurate pump pressure reading. This pressure gauge is a nice update to the Pro, providing feedback to baristas and showcasing Rancilio's own soft infusion pressure ramp up. Different from traditional pre-infusion, soft infusion gently soaks the puck without any pressure. Part of this soft infusion system is a flush feature that guarantees that the group is fully saturated when it's time to soft infuse. The brew valve opens before the pump kicks on and water is evenly dispersed from the shower screen and slowly released from the group head. Soft infusion can be adjusted up to 6 seconds through the PID. Once the puck is saturated, the Pro X will begin to gradually climb to full brew pressure, giving baristas another layer of control and allowing adjustments to improve the consistency and quality of your espresso. At 15 inches tall, 10 inches wide, and 16.5 inches deep, the Silvia Pro X has kept a small footprint while holding a 0.3-liter brew boiler, a 1-liter steam boiler, and a large BPA-free 2-liter water reservoir. The Wake Up feature has carried over, allowing users to program the machine to turn on automatically in the morning so it's heated and ready to pull shots as soon as you are. The Pro X gives baristas the ability to dial in their espresso with detail while simultaneously steaming milk with its powerful steam pressure. Rancilio has made this machine easier to set up and maintain with the new plug-and-play and automatic backflushing features. If you're new to espresso or a seasoned barista, the simple design matched with the amount of control available makes the Rancilio Silvia Pro X a great machine for baristas at any stage. If you have any questions about the machine and whether or not it's right for you, leave us a comment or shoot us an email at hello@clivecoffee.com. Thanks for watching.